Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy 18th birthday, Langging. Okay, Max, your message?
Hi Ate Jessica, happy birthday, 18th birthday. Sana magpakabait ka na and you're always happy and be a good girl.
Wow! Happy 18th birthday, Cheska. Oh, wow, your time flies. You're finally 18 years old. I wish you all the best, Langging. I wish you reach your dreams and your goals in life. And stay happy always. Happy birthday, Langging. We love you and we miss you.
Love you, miss you, bye-bye.
Hi, Cheska. Happy birthday, Langging. I pray that you always have a good health and bless your studies so that you will achieve what you want in your life that God designed for you. Be always a good daughter, a good sister, a good friend, a good niece, a good person inside and out, and be humble all the time. I know your papa and your mama loves you so much, so be thankful all the time to Jesus. So happy birthday, and may all your wishes be granted on this very special day for you. Dalaga ka na, hindi na bata. Welcome to almost adulthood life, Cheska. I love you and I miss you. Happy birthday again, Langging.
Hi Cheska, you're Ninang here from Cebu. Hope you still remember me. I can't believe you are already 18. I wish you all the best, the next chapter of your life. Happy 18th. Hope to see you here in Cebu soon. Do visit us. Love you.
Fiona, happy birthday to you. So, kala ko dalagita ka pa. 18 ka na pala. You're a woman now. Diyos ko po, matanda na si Nana. Ano ba yan? Oo. So, anyway, I hope you have fun on your birthday, and all I can say is love your God with all your heart and all your might. And He will give you the desires of your heart. And huwag mong kalimutan to be thankful to Him, to thank Him every day for His goodness and His mercies. Yeah? And then, love your family always, for they love you and protect you. All right? So, happy birthday to you, Fiona. I love you, anak. Okay, bye-bye.
Hi, Tess!
Happy 18th
Birthday!
Bilis ng panahon, Jet. Noon, sinusundo pa namin ikaw sakay pa kayo na sa car. Tapos payabang pa kung sino may sipon. Ngayon, dalaga ka na. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Chet! We love you! God bless!
Happy birthday, Ate Jessica. I hope you become strong and healthy, and we wish you a good day in your birthday, and good luck in your school. We love you and we miss you.
Happy birthday, Ate Jessica. Yeah. I wish you good luck in your school. I miss you. I love you.
Hi, hello Jessica. Happy 18th birthday. Wow, you're officially a grown-up, hey? I know life is getting so exciting for you. I know you'd love to discover, you'd love to conquer, and you'd love to achieve many things. Your dreams, your goals, right? I wish you all the best, but above all, I pray that you are always in good health, strong, God-fearing, and persevering when challenges may come your way. And I hope that someday you will share with me kung sa gusto niyo i-share sa ko, like your achievements, what's going on with you. You know, I would love to listen. I would love to be there for you as your ninang. Okay? I love you. I love your whole family. Again, happy 18th birthday. Enjoy. Be yourself. Shine on.
Happy 18th birthday, Chet. Now, I know you might not feel any different from, say, 17 to 16, but I guess you could say you're kind of grown up now. And it's gonna feel a bit weird, but just remember that you'll always have me and the Ridge and basically like everyone else who's gone through the same thing with you. And I just know you're gonna do amazing things when you finish your studies. Even when you're doing your studies, I know you're gonna do great things. I really wish you the longest, happiest life, and I hope that you, me, and the Ridge can meet up again sometime soon. Yeah, so happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Cheska! So, yun, 18 ka na. So, ang wish ko lang sa'yo is please enjoy your day. Always stay positive side mo kasi yan ang pinaka-the best na side mo. Gusto lang naman namin is always be happy and please be strong always. Kasi alam kong may mga problema din naman talaga ang isang tao, pero pag may problema ka, you can always go to me and to Sam, kasi tayo is more likely magkakapatid tayong tatlo. Kapag may mga video call, doon natin yung mga kakulitan, yung mga simula pagkabata, ganun pa din. Yung mga kakulitan na tayong Tres Marias na papalit kina Mami na, Mami Lou, at saka kay Lola. Ang iba na doon, secret na natin yung tatlo. So yun nga, happy birthday sa Chess. Please, always think na alam mo dapat lagi ang tama't mali. Iwas ka sa mga bagay na kailangan mong iwasan, kasi may mga bagay talaga na binibigay sa atin si Lord na kailangan talaga kung anong dapat ialis sa life natin, alis. Yung mga bad friends or bad habits is tanggalin natin lahat yun. So yun lang, ang greet ko sa'yo, Cheska. Happy birthday ulit. I love you so much and I miss you. Mwah.
Hi Fiona, happy birthday to my first bestie ever. I know na we haven't talked for a while, and as you can see now, girly na ako compared dati. It's so shocking, right? But even so, we haven't talked for a while. I always know that you're still a very happy, down-to-earth person. And with or without me, I really hope for your success and happiness. And sana magstay ka na always positive, even though there's people coming in your way na hindi maganda. You always try to be positive. And that's what I love about you. And it was such an adventure. So I really, really miss you. But yeah, happy birthday.
Happy 18th birthday, Langging. I hope you're enjoying your special day. Since 18 ka na, your decisions will weigh a lot more than it did before, so be responsible, ha? And life will get tougher from here on out. Kasi yun nga, malapit ka na mag-college. No pressure, but kapag sa tingin mo na nahirapan ka na, it's always okay for you to ask for some help sa ibang tao. Lalong-lalo na kasi it's not a weak thing to do, yung mahingi ng tulong. It takes courage. And kapag sa tingin mo na ikaw lang dapat lang talaga mag-shoulder nung bagay na yun, yung burden na yun, tapos di mo talaga kaya mag-share sa iba, you should take it easy kapag hirap na hirap ka na, ha? And kapag pagod ka, pahinga ka lang, tapos kapag emotional ka, just take a break and don't decide on things, kasi hindi maganda nagiging resulta ng desisyon na yun kapag nagbase sa nararamdaman. But that being said, don't give up on what you're doing, because what's important is not how you do it, but it's how you finish it, okay? And make sure na na-enjoy mo yung ginagawa mo, and always choose kung saan ka sa tingin mo na sasaya ka. Okay? And follow your heart. Yun lang naman sa akin. Happy birthday ulit, ha? Have fun.